Hello! In this video I will show you how to connect pendrive to HOTWAV T5 Pro. So to connect pendrive to this phone you have to have a pendrive with a USB-C, just like this one, and then simply plug it into your USB-C port on your phone, like this. And now an information about pendrive should pop up on your screen in notifications, and you can tap on this notification to open your pendrive. And as you can see, my pendrive is empty, and you can transfer files into it, for example, right now. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.